Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 ITL6. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315 Italian Liras 6, laptop processor 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, 4 cores, 8 threads, 2.40 GHz, up to 4.20 GHz with Turbo Boost, 8 MB cache. Laptop graphics integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics NVIDIA GeForce MX 352GB GDDR5 graphics. Power adapter 65W round tip, 2-pin, wall mount, AC adapter. Memory 1x8 GB DDR4 3200 memory storage 512 GB M2 2280 SSD. Display 15.6 FHD IPS 1920 by 1080 300 nits anti-glare 45% NTSC keyboard touchpad 6-row multimedia FN keys numeric keypad LED backlight buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad supports precision touchpad camera 720p with privacy shutter WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX2 by 2 Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.1, M.2 card Gigabit Ethernet audio stereo speakers, 1.5 WX2, Dolby Audio microphone dual array microphone connection and expansion 1x USB 2.0 1x USB 3.2 General 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen. HDMI 1.4 B1X card reader 1X headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5mm, 1X power connector 1x4 in 1 card reader.